Hey you, welcome back to Secrets with Maeve, the space for the conversations we usually keep to ourselves. I'm Maeve. Today, we're talking about something I know so many of us struggle with in silence. Stop drinking water if you are over 50. Do this for veins like ropes. Let's get into it. Most men over 50 believe that drinking more water is always good. 8 glasses a day, stay hydrated, keep your body healthy. You've heard that 1,000 times, right? But here's the truth no one is telling you. If you're still drinking plain water after 50, you might actually be missing one of the simplest, most powerful ways to supercharge your energy, your circulation, and your overall vitality. Sounds crazy, I know, but hear me out. I'm Dr. Michael Corbin, board-certified urologist and men's health specialist. For the last 9 years, I've helped thousands of men understand exactly why their energy crashes, why their drive fades, and why that sharp morning edge slowly disappears as they age. It all comes down to one tiny molecule most men have never heard of, nitric oxide. This single molecule controls the most important function in your body, blood flow. When nitric oxide levels are high, your blood vessels relax and open wide. Circulation surges. Your heart, brain, and muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform at their peak. But after age 50, your natural nitric oxide production can drop by more than 50%. That's why you feel slower, heavier, less like the man you used to be. And here's the shocking part. Plain water does nothing to rebuild nitric oxide. Zero. It keeps you hydrated, sure, but it delivers none of the raw materials your body desperately needs to manufacture this critical molecule. Think of your body like a factory. Water keeps the lights on and the floors clean, but without the right ingredients, the production line grinds to a halt. Right now, your blood vessels are hydrated, but they're starving for the precursors they need. That's why even if you feel fine on the outside, deep inside your circulation is quietly slowing down, your energy is fading, and your confidence is slipping away without you even realizing it. The great news, you can turn this around starting today. And it all begins with what you add to your water. Before I show you exactly how, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button and drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from. I love seeing men from all over the world taking back control of their health naturally, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on. This information could completely change the way your body feels every single day. Now let's dive in. Nitric oxide is the spark that keeps your entire system running smoothly. When you were younger, your body pumped it out effortlessly. That's why you could bounce out of bed, power through the day, and still have energy and drive left in the tank. But as nitric oxide production drops with age, everything starts to feel off. Your circulation weakens, your heart works harder, recovery takes longer, even your brain feels foggy. You lose that deep sense of vitality, the feeling of being fully alive, strong, and capable. When nitric oxide is low, you lose your endurance, your sharpness, your etch. And the worst part, most men have no idea this is even happening, and almost no doctor ever tells them how to fix it. Here's what makes nitric oxide so powerful. It's the signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and dilate, delivering more oxygen, more nutrients, and more life-giving blood to every organ and muscle. Boost nitric oxide, and you don't just feel younger, your body literally starts acting younger again. And the best part, you don't need drugs, injections, or surgery. Your body already knows how to make nitric oxide. It just needs the right fuel. Booster number 1, beetroot powder. Beetroot is loaded with natural nitrates that your body converts directly into nitric oxide, bypassing the aging cells that normally slow production down. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons in water can improve circulation in as little as 2 to 3 hours. Men who start their day with beetroot water report steady, crush-free energy and noticeably better blood pressure. Booster number 2, pomegranate powder. Pomegranate doesn't just help create nitric oxide, it protects it. Its polyphenol act like bodyguards, preventing breakdown from stress, inflammation, and poor diet. Beetroot opens the faucet. Pomegranate keeps it flowing. Booster number 3, L-Citrulline. L-Citrulline is an amino acid that converts into l'arginine, the direct fuel for nitric oxide production, far more efficiently than arginine supplements alone. Add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon, and you activate a second powerful pathway for even greater results. Combine these three, and you have a triple threat nitric oxide powerhouse. Want to take it further? Add pine bark extract, leafy greens powder, ginger, hibiscus, cocoa flavanols, or tart cherry. Each one supports healthier blood vessels and longer-lasting nitric oxide activity. The key is consistency. The men getting life-changing results aren't doing this once in a while. They make it a daily ritual. 1 big glass first thing in the morning to wake up circulation. Another in the early afternoon to crush that 2 p.m. slump. Simple starter recipe. 1 to 2 teaspoons beetroot powder, 1 teaspoon pomegranate powder, 1-2 teaspoon L-Citrulline. Mix dry, store in a jar. Scoop 2 to 3 tablespoons into water twice daily. Too earthy? Add fresh lemon. Vitamin C protects nitric oxide even more. This isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle upgrade that gets stronger every week you stick with it. If this helped you, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with another man who needs to hear it. Drop a comment. Which ingredient are you starting with tomorrow? Remember, age doesn't have to mean decline. Small, consistent changes can bring back the energy, confidence, and vitality you thought were gone forever. Your body is still capable of incredible renewal when you give it the right support. Take care of your circulation, and it will take care of you. Thank you for watching.